I'm doing a cold start video. It hasn't been started since last night when I trailered it. This is the exhaust manifold, and as you can see, I would be burning my finger otherwise. It is fuel injected, so I didn't have to push the gas pedal or anything like that. It's 312,310 kilometers, and it's the original instrument cluster, so I guess equivalent to miles, that would be like 170,000. Very high quality custom roll bar, amazing sound bar with amplifiers and subwoofers and mid-range and tweeters. I would suspect the sound system probably cost about $5,000 to manufacture, and we rebuilt the rear axle, and the four-wheel drive is perfect. All the gears shift perfect, and I'm just rolling it off the trailer right now. And I'll shut the hood and do a dry video next.